Ever wondered why some people seem to radiate health and vitality while others struggle with persistent health issues? What if the key to understanding our health lies not only in our bodies, but also in our minds and spirits? Welcome to a journey that will enlighten you on the mysteries of physical and mental health, guided by the esteemed Master LuXia. Master LuXia, a renowned practitioner, has spent decades studying the holistic approach to health. Her insightful teachings have transformed the lives of thousands, many of whom have found relief from chronic ailments and have discovered a newfound sense of well-being. Listen to the words of Sarah, a 35-year-old mother of two. She says, "Before I joined the workshop, I was constantly fatigued and stressed, but Master LuXia's teachings have been a game changer for me. I feel rejuvenated, and my energy levels have skyrocketed." Or consider the story of Mark, who at the ripe age of 50 found relief from chronic back pain he had been battling for years. He shares, "Master Lu's workshop was a turning point in my life. The energy distance acupuncture sessions were unbelievably effective. I haven't felt this good in years." Indeed, these are just two of the countless individuals who have experienced firsthand the transformative power of Master LuXia's teachings. But this workshop is not only about overcoming physical ailments. It's about understanding the intricate balance between our bodies, minds, and spirits. It's about unlocking the potential within us to lead healthier, not happier lives. During the workshop, Master LuXia will guide you through the principles of energy distance acupuncture. This ancient practice, steeped in tradition and honed by modern science, has been known to alleviate a variety of health conditions, from chronic pain to digestive issues, and even stress. In the words of Elizabeth, a 60-year-old retiree, "I was skeptical at first, but the energy distance acupuncture session was a revelation. The workshop has taught me to listen to my body and mind, and I feel more in sync with myself than ever before." Life is a precious gift, and health is the key to truly enjoying this gift. So, don't just exist, thrive. Embrace the opportunity to embark on a transformative journey towards holistic health and well-being. It's time to take control of your health. It's time to unlock the mysteries behind your physical and mental wellness. Don't just take our word for it. Hear it from those who have walked this path before. Join Master LuXia's health workshop today and discover the key to a healthier, happier you, because you deserve nothing but the best.